Welcome to our channel. I'm Ray Tayson, and today we're diving into the science and wonder of pregnancy. We'll break down each step, from the microscopic marathon of sperm to the grand entrance of a brand new baby. Whether you're a parent, planning to be one, or just curious about your own origin story, this video's for you. Let's get started. Our story begins with an epic race, one that's been happening for millions of years every time new life begins. Imagine a competition so fierce, so relentless, that only the most exceptional can hope to succeed. This is the Great Sperm Race, a microscopic marathon where the stakes are nothing less than the creation of life itself. In this race, millions of sperm are released, all vying to reach the egg first. Each one is a tiny contender, carrying the potential to spark a new beginning. The odds are staggering. Out of these millions, only one will ultimately succeed. The journey is anything but easy. Only the fittest, fastest, and luckiest make it through the female reproductive tract's obstacle course. Along the way, sperm must navigate a maze of physical barriers, dodge hostile environments, and outswim countless rivals. The adventure starts in the vagina, where sperm are immediately challenged by acidic conditions. From there, they must swim into the uterus, a vast chamber where many are swept away or destroyed. Only a fraction make it to the narrow fallopian tube, each step eliminating thousands of competitors, whittling down the field with every passing moment. Out of millions, only a few hundred get close to the egg. The numbers dwindle rapidly, and the competition becomes even more intense as the finish line draws near. Each sperm is powered by a tail called a flagellum, whipping back and forth like a tiny propeller. This remarkable structure propels them forward, using up precious energy reserves with every beat. It's a race against time and exhaustion. Many get lost, stuck, or run out of energy, but the determined few press on. Some are trapped by sticky cervical mucus, others are attacked by the body's immune defenses, and many simply lose their way in the labyrinthine passages. Inside the fallopian tube, the competition intensifies. The environment becomes even more challenging, and only the strongest swimmers can keep up the pace. Here, the remaining sperm must navigate tight spaces and fierce currents, all while racing toward the ultimate goal. The egg waits at the finish line, sending out subtle chemical signals to guide the sperm. But only the best, those with the right combination of speed, stamina, and luck, can hope to reach it. It's a wild dash, a final sprint where every second counts, and just one will win the prize. The rest fall away, their journey ending just short of victory. So, millions start, but only a handful get close. The odds are almost unimaginable, making the achievement of the winner all the more extraordinary. And out of those, just one, yes, one, will win the ultimate lottery. The victorious sperm fuses with the egg, beginning the miraculous process of creating a new life. That's the Great Sperm Race. A story of perseverance, competition, and the incredible odds overcome every time life begins anew. Reaching the egg isn't enough. The sperm now face the ultimate bouncer, the zona pellucida. This protective layer only lets in sperm with the right password, special receptors that match up perfectly. Sperm release enzymes to break through, but most fail. Only one lucky sperm finds the right combination and squeezes through. It's a moment of victory, like winning Olympic gold, but the prize is life itself. The egg is picky for a reason. Only the best genes get in. If you're watching this, congratulations. You were the fastest, strongest, and had the best password. Nature's way of picking a winner. The moment the winning sperm finally makes its way inside, something remarkable happens. The egg instantly goes into lockdown mode. It's as if a velvet rope drops, and the bouncer says, "No more guests allowed." This is a crucial turning point in the journey of life, and it all happens in a matter of seconds. The egg releases special chemicals that cause the zona pellucida, the protective outer shell, to harden almost immediately. This transformation creates an impenetrable barrier, making sure that no other sperm can sneak in. It's a sophisticated security system designed by nature to protect the precious cargo inside. This process is vital because it ensures that only one set of genetic instructions from one sperm and one egg gets through. If more than one sperm were allowed in, the genetic information would become scrambled, and development couldn't continue properly. The egg's "no more guests" policy keeps everything on track for a healthy start. Inside the egg, The winning sperm's DNA is now preparing to meet the egg's DNA. This is where the magic happens. A unique combination of genetic material is about to form, creating a blueprint for a brand new individual. Every trait, from eye color to hair texture, will be determined by this one-of-a-kind genetic mix. The egg's defense system acts with lightning speed, sealing the membrane and locking the door for good. There's no second chance. Once the barrier is up, it's final. This rapid response is essential to prevent any mix-ups and to safeguard the future embryo. The rest of the sperm, despite their efforts, are left outside, unable to enter. Their journey ends here, but for the lucky sperm inside, the real adventure is just beginning. The focus now shifts to what's happening within the egg, where the foundation for new life is being laid. Timing is everything in this process. The egg's quick and precise response ensures that fertilization happens flawlessly, without any errors. Every second counts, and the egg's ability to act so swiftly is a testament to the incredible efficiency of nature. With the door now closed to all other sperm, the stage is perfectly set for a brand new life to begin. The fertilized egg will soon start dividing, marking the very first steps in the journey of human development, a journey that started with a single decisive moment. Now comes the big moment. The sperm and egg nuclei merge, creating a brand new zygote. This single cell holds the complete blueprint for a new human being: hair color, eye color, even taste preferences. The zygote is packed with potential, ready to divide and grow. Just hours before, there were millions of sperm and one egg. Now, against all odds, a new life begins. The zygote's next trick: dividing, multiplying, and growing. For now, it's one perfect cell, floating in a sea of possibilities. It's the ultimate before photo, a miraculous package of everything you are. Not bad for a day's work. The zygote wastes no time. It starts dividing rapidly: 2, 4, 8, 16 cells, and beyond. This stage, called cleavage, is a perfectly choreographed multiplication dance. The zygote becomes a morula, a tiny ball of identical cells, smaller than a grain of sand. Each cell is ready to become part of something bigger. Soon, these cells will specialize, forming the building blocks of the body. From one to many, the journey is just beginning. If you ever doubted the power of multiplication, remember, you started as one cell. Look at you now. After just a few days of rapid division, the once simple cluster of cells transforms into something remarkable: a blastocyst. This is a tiny, fluid-filled sphere, but inside it holds a universe of potential. The blastocyst is packed with stem cells, each one brimming with the possibility to become any part of the human body. Under the microscope, this early stage of life looks delicate, yet it is incredibly dynamic, with cells constantly communicating and dividing, setting the stage for everything that comes next. The blastocyst is made up of two main parts. The outer layer, called the trophoblast, will eventually form the placenta, which nourishes and protects the developing embryo. Deep inside, there's a compact cluster known as the inner cell mass. This is where the magic happens. These cells will become the baby itself, giving rise to every organ, tissue, and feature. It's a perfect example of nature's careful planning, with each part already assigned a crucial role. Stem cells are like nature's ultimate choose-your-own-adventure characters. At this stage, they are pluripotent, meaning they have the unique ability to transform into any cell type the body might need, whether it's a heart cell, a neuron, or a skin cell. Scientists study these cells in the lab, fascinated by their flexibility and the secrets they hold for medicine and development. As the blastocyst floats freely within the uterine cavity, it's on a mission, searching for the perfect, cozy spot along the uterine wall to call home. This journey is critical, as successful implantation is the key to the next stage of development. The blastocyst gently drifts, guided by chemical signals, until it finds just the right place to settle. Once the blastocyst nestles into the uterine lining, a dramatic transformation begins. The pace of growth accelerates, and stem cells start to specialize, or differentiate, into the many types of cells that will form the organs and tissues of the body. This is where the blueprint of life truly unfolds, as the foundations for the heart, brain, and limbs are laid down. All of these possibilities are encoded in the DNA, a vast instruction manual packed into every cell. DNA contains the genetic information that guides each cell's fate, ensuring that the right cells form in the right place at the right time. It's a molecular script that orchestrates the entire process of development. From a single fertilized cell to a blastocyst teeming with potential, the journey of life accelerates with breathtaking speed. Each step is a leap forward, filled with promise and possibility, as the foundation for a new human being is laid, cell by cell. With implantation complete, construction begins. Organs, skin, hair, eyes, and more start to form. The heart is first, beating just weeks after fertilization. The brain and spinal cord take shape, laying the foundation for everything you'll ever think or do. Lungs, liver, kidneys, and other organs come online. Skin and hair follicles develop and eyes form, even sensing light in total darkness. Sexual organs differentiate, setting the stage for future development. By the end of the first trimester, all major organs and body parts are in place. Now it's about growing, fine-tuning, and preparing for the big debut. Behind the scenes, the placenta is the unsung hero, protecting, nourishing, and managing every detail. It forms from the blastocyst's outer layer, creating a barrier between mother and baby. The placenta filters out harmful substances, delivers nutrients and oxygen, and produces hormones to keep pregnancy on track. It adapts to threats and ensures the baby gets what it needs. Think of it as a high-tech security system and gourmet chef in one. The placenta is temporary, built for a single mission: keep the baby safe and healthy until birth. Once the job is done, it retires in style. Superheroes have nothing on the placenta. The umbilical cord is the ultimate delivery service, connecting baby to placenta, delivering nutrients, water, and oxygen. It also removes waste, keeping the baby's environment clean and healthy. Inside are 2 arteries and a vein, wrapped in cushiony Wharton's jelly for safety. The cord grows as the baby grows, stretching and flexing with every move. It's strong, reliable, and built to handle anything. While mom handles cravings, the umbilical cord quietly does its job. The baby gets everything it needs to thrive. After months of hard work, the placenta's job is done. Following childbirth, it detaches from the uterus and is delivered, retiring with honors. And that's the final act of pregnancy's unsung hero.